Ash, you're head of client success, and so you deal with all our members and you see kind of what's going on, especially with people who are reaching out to us who are wanting help. What do you see on a day-to-day basis when it comes to this kind of conversation around, oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed, I don't know what to do?
Totally. Well, first of all, we have such an understanding of how much people have perhaps been seeking and looking for answers prior to finding us. So that can be
10 years, 20
exactly.
years.
Decades of researching and searching and seeking and looking and trying to figure it out.
Trying and failing. That's one of the biggest things that you're so spot on. See, this is why you're head of success. Because because it's so true. There is so much backlog of failing that people are so scared to fail when they do something new or try something new, especially when it comes to our program. And our program's so different because the program doesn't fix you, you fix yourself. Yeah. And I wouldn't even say you need fixing, you just help yourself get better, and we help you do that. But there comes this really heavy weight of like, shit, what if it doesn't work for me? Or what if I fail? And with that comes this information overload of trying too hard, right?
And also the speed that the nervous system and the mind has been working to try and search. People find our program and they feel absolutely massive senses of relief and like they've found something that they align with. But it doesn't necessarily mean it switches off all the, okay, I can like let go of all my need of seeking and searching and wanting to research. That doesn't necessarily drop away when someone comes straight into the program. So what I see is the overwhelm can still be there, and the searching and the need and the desperation and the trying to cling to like, okay, I've joined this program. I have all of this amazing information. I have access to all of these incredible coaches, integrative medical professionals. So give it all to me now. And of course, the body and the nervous system and the mind can still be like, I'm still so overwhelmed.
Yeah, because they are.
Of course.
And that's why they shouldn't consume everything all at once. And, that's why we have the highest priority things in our program that then filter into the other wings or departments of recovery, you could say, that need to be done at the right time, in the right way, over the right amount of time.